Hello, welcome to the daily gold and silver news. Today, how does gold price fluctuate? What is the right time to buy and sell? Join us update shortly. Gold price today, the 3rd of July 2025. Smooth and gold rings SJC swings, clinging to 93 million landmarks. Gold price today, the 3rd of July 2025 in the international market plummeted due to profit-taking pressure. Contrary to world price instability, smooth ring and SJC gold bars continue to swing, clinging to 93 million dong, tael. The price of gold rings in the country early this morning is less volatile, but still anchor at a record price of 93 million Vietnamese dongs, tael, sold. Saigon Jewelry Company, SJC, early this morning listed the price of gold rings 1 to 5 only at 90.7 to 92.6 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, buying-selling, remaining compared to the session yesterday. DOJI GEOSE Group early this morning gold trading 9,999 gold at 91.4 to 93 million dong, tael, buying, selling, unchanged compared to yesterday's closing level. Opening the 7/3 session, SJC's 9,999 gold price was unchanged compared to the end of the session yesterday, at 90.7 to 92.7 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, purchased, sold. 9,999 gold price is listed by Saigon Jewelry Company Limited, SJC, at 838, and 9,999 gold price is listed by DOJI Gemstone Gold Group at the end of March 6 as follows. The central exchange rate on March 7 was announced by the State Bank of 24,730 Vietnamese dongs per USD, down 8 Vietnamese dongs compared to the previous trading session. USD price at commercial banks this morning, March 7, was popularly listed at 25,290 Vietnamese dongs per USD, purchased, and 25,680 Vietnamese dongs per USD, sold. At 8h29, today, March 7, Vietnam time, the world gold price was spot at 2,903 United States dollars and 30 cents per ounce, down 6 United States dollars per ounce compared to last night. Price of future gold delivered in April 2025 on the New York floor at 2,910 United States dollars per ounce. On the morning of March 7, the world gold converted at the USD price of over 90.7 million dong, tael, including taxes and fees, about 2 million Vietnamese dongs per tael lower than the domestic gold price. Gold price on Kitco floor at 2100, March 6, Vietnam time, traded at 2,909 United States dollars and 30 cents per ounce, down 0.4% compared to the beginning of the session. Future gold price delivered in April 2025 on the New York COMEX trading floor traded at 2,940 United States dollars and 50 cents per ounce. At the beginning of the session on March 6, U.S. time, the world gold price plummeted due to profit-taking pressure. Analysts say that the psychology of avoiding risks increases, in the context of concerns about a tit-for-tat tariff battle between large countries that can push global economy into recession. After a 25% tax impact on imported goods from Mexico and Canada, and doubling taxes on Chinese goods to 20%, Mr. Trump said he would apply new tax rates from April 2, including reciprocal taxes and non-tariff measures to balance trade after many years of imbalance. Concerns about the tariff measures of the White House head pushed the price of metal to hide safely to a record high 11 times this year, reaching a peak of 2,956 United States dollars and 15 cents per ounce on February 24 and reached an increase of 11% since the beginning of the year. Currently, the market is still waiting for the U.S. payroll data to be published this weekend for more detailed information about the monetary policy of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed. Peter Grant, vice president and high-level metal strategist of Zaner Metals, said that the demand was slowed down when investors were cautious about employment data. In the domestic market, SJC gold price and smooth ring remain the same compared to the closing session yesterday. At the end of 6/3, the price of 9,999 gold bars at SJC and DOJI was 90.7 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, purchased, and 92.7 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, sold. Meanwhile, SJC announced the price of gold rings 1 to 5 is only 90.7 to 92.6 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, buying-selling. DOJI listed the price of golden round ring 9,999 at 91.4 to 93 million dong, tael, buying, selling, down 300,000 dong each in the buying side and remained in the selling direction. Gold price forecast. Ross Norman, an independent analyst, said that economic instability is an important factor for gold prices, so the price trend is still likely to increase. After the recent price increase, gold is thought to be in the reinforcement stage and aiming at $3,000 ounce. Many forecasts that, if the dollar continues to be weak, the world gold price can fluctuate around $2,880–$2,920 per ounce. If political instability increases, gold prices can reach $2,950 per ounce. Conversely, if the USD recovers or the Fed has a signal to raise interest rates, the world gold price may decrease to $2,850–$2,860 per ounce. According to some analysts, gold is facing difficulties, especially in Europe when investors rushed into the stock market because the EU countries increased defense budget and military spending. Analysts at Heraeus Financial Group said that the price increase of gold will continue to take place in the coming days if investors and people still buy for safe shelter. Above is the golden news today. Please like, share, comment, follow the channel to update the latest information. Hello and see you again.